What if I told you that ChatGPT might be hurting your YouTube growth? Most creators use it to pump out scripts, titles, and even thumbnails, but the way they're using it is backfiring. Today, I'll show you the hidden pitfalls of using ChatGPT for YouTube and how to avoid them so your videos actually connect with your viewers. Hey, it's Herman from Josh Video, where I help creators grow their influence and income on YouTube. Here's the first mistake: using generic prompts. If you ask ChatGPT, write me a script about fitness, you'll get something bland, robotic, and forgettable. Viewers will click off in seconds. Here's the fix: be specific. Instead of that, say, write me a formatted script on how beginners can actually lose belly fat at home. Structure it with a hook, 3 tips, and a call to action. Use a friendly tone and a motivational story. Now you're not just getting a script, you're getting your script. The second pitfall is copy and pasting without editing. If you just read ChatGPT's script word for word, it'll sound stiff, unnatural, and yes, AI generated. Here's a fix: use ChatGPT as a first draft, then rewrite it in your own voice. For example, ChatGPT might say, consistency is key for building an audience. You could say, look, if you're posting once every 3 months, YouTube's not going to take you seriously, and neither will your viewers. One sounds like a textbook, and the other sounds like you. Before I share the biggest pitfall, keep this important thing in mind. Even if you rewrite ChatGPT scripts in your own voice, you're stuck creating new content over and over again, which is exhausting. But here's the good news. If you want to get more views, reach a wider audience without coming up with new content, try Nexus Clips. It turns long-form videos into shorts in seconds. It automatically finds your most engaging moments, adds captions, and formats your video for shorts. Some of my shorts attract more views and subscribers than my long-form videos. Uploading shorts to your channel is a highly effective way to reach an audience that doesn't normally watch your long-form videos. You can turn one long-form video into multiple shorts to expand your reach. For example, the top YouTuber, Mr. Beast, with over 376 million subscribers, gets millions of views on his shorts. More content with less effort. If you're serious about growing on YouTube long term and not just chasing one viral hit, try Nexus Clips and let your content work harder for you. Link is in the description. Use coupon code HERMAN to get 10% off. The third pitfall is the biggest: skipping the human touch. When I first started using ChatGPT, I was blown away. I typed in a single prompt: write me a 3-minute script on how to get more views on YouTube. And in seconds, boom, I had a full outline. It looked great on the screen. But when I recorded it, something felt off. I played it back, and honestly, it didn't sound like me. The pacing was weird, the words were too polished, and it felt like I was reading a blog post instead of talking to real people. I almost published it anyway, but I thought, if this doesn't feel natural to me, why would it connect with my audience? So I scrapped the robotic version and kept the structure that ChatGPT gave me and rewrote it in my own voice. I added a quick story about one of my early videos that only got 50 views and how I almost gave up until I discovered a tweak that boosted my CTR overnight. That little story hit harder than an AI-generated sentence ever could. And here's the kicker: the version I rewrote got more engagement. People commented, "Thanks for sharing your journey. This makes me feel I can do it too." That's when it clicked. AI can give you the speed, but your story gives viewers connection. And connection is what keeps your viewers coming back for more. Here's the fix: use ChatGPT to speed up your workflow, then inject your own story or opinion. That's what keeps your viewers engaged with your content. Here's a bonus pitfall: relying on AI for everything. If every part of your content is automated, your videos will start looking and sounding like everyone else's. Here's the fix: think of ChatGPT as a creative partner, not a replacement. Let it do 80% of the heavy lifting, but you bring the final 20% that makes it unique. So here's the takeaway: ChatGPT can save you hours, but if you rely on it blindly, your content will feel generic, robotic, and forgettable. Avoid these pitfalls. Don't use generic prompts. Don't copy and paste without editing. Don't skip the human touch. And don't let AI run the entire show. The real magic happens when you combine AI's speed with your own voice and stories. That's what will keep your viewers engaged with your content. If this video helped you in any way, hit the like button. And if you want my free ChatGPT prompt guide for creators, just type prompt guide in the comments and I'll send it to you right away. And if you want to go even deeper, watch this related video on how to create YouTube videos fast using ChatGPT. It'll show you how to master every part of the video creation process with just one AI tool.